Today we will learn how to create a standing round and curved design with multiple objects in Illustrator. As you can see, we have already opened some icon image in Illustrator. Click right button. Click on Ungroup. Now go to the toolbar. Select the ellipse tool. Hold down the shift key on the keyboard and make a circle. Now select the icon together. Now go to the toolbar. Click on the object on path. Now click on the circle. You can see that our round design is created. Now we will design with another shape. Thanks for watching the video.